Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to outline all text in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here on my document. Now I apply or outline color in this all text. At first I have to select this text, then go to text properties option, then you can see here a stroke option. Now I increase this stroke option to 0 to 2, then go to stroke option, and now I change this color to yellow, then select the selection tool and click outside of this text. Then you can see I change outline all text in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.